Hi everyone. Today in this video we will see the advantages and disadvantages of automation testing and also how automation testing becomes handy when we are testing time critical applications. So if you see here we have a simple login page, and since this kind of page has a limited number of elements, it is a bit easy to test these kind of pages manually, and it doesn't require that much amount of time also when you are doing manual testing. Again, when you go further in the application becomes slightly complex. Like here in this page, if you see, we have multiple links as well as we have multiple boxes and all. So if you want to test this kind of pages where it has multiple elements and all, it takes a bit more time doing it in a manual way. And also sometimes what happens in manual testing, there is a high chance that we miss any one of the elements in this particular page. So what happens in automation testing, this can be done much faster way, since we are writing script for this particular page. It will evaluate this application much faster than manual testing. The second advantage of automation testing is that we can reuse the initially developed automation scripts again and again. Like for example, in this application, what we do is, like, if we have we do releases 4 times or 5 times a week for this project, it requires a lot of resources and a lot of time of the resource doing the same test again and again in the same week. So what we can do is we can develop a standard test scripts for this for the project, and we can run the scripts after each and every releases. So we can save large amount of resource and resource time. The third advantage of automation testing over manual testing is that, for example, consider I have some 100 or 150 test scenarios for this product. It is a bit difficult for manual testers to execute all the scenarios for all the test scenarios for this project after each and every release within a certain amount of time. So what we can do is, using the automation testing, we can script all 100 or 150 test scenarios, and we can execute all scenarios parallelly, and we can save a huge amount of time. And also automation testing causes few disadvantages also. Like whenever we are developing automation testing for a project, at initial stages it requires a lot of time. That is the first disadvantage of automation testing. And a second disadvantage is the resource who are developing the automation script should have a strong knowledge of programming. Whereas in manual testing, if you don't have any knowledge of programming is also fine, but when you are developing automation scripts, you require a strong grip of any languages. And the third disadvantage of automation testing is that the automation testing is not good for the applications in which the UI changes frequently. For example, in this page, the UI is fixed. So if I write the script today, I can reuse that code tomorrow, day after tomorrow and all. But again, for example, if in this page the UI changes frequently, like the username changes frequently or password box changes frequently, we cannot write a fixed automation test script for this application. So we cannot reuse that UI automation scripts. So that is the third disadvantage of automation testing.